Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, Tourism and History. Yesterday we have seen conservation and preservation of heritage and professional opportunity in tourism and hospitality industries. Now today we are going to see development of tourism in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state blessed with rich heritage. Means Maharashtra, there are many heritage sites are there, and it blessed with that heritage sites. The much admired rock cut caves, painting and sculpture of Ajanta, Verur and Gharapuri means Elephanta, pilgrim centers like Dehu, Alandi, Jejuri, Pandarpur, Shirdi, शेगाव, तुळजापूर, कोल्हापूर, नाशिक, त्र्यंबकेश्वर, पैठण, हाजीमलंग, गुरुद्वारा at Nanded, Mount Mary Church at Mumbai, etc. Means these are some places which are blessed by the rich heritage. Okay, in Maharashtra. Means much admired rock. Means many rock cut caves are there in many means because Western Ghat there are many mountains, and in that mountain there are many rock cut caves. For example, Ajanta Verur caves or Ajanta Verur caves, or there are also Equira means mountain is there, and there are also many caves. Means many caves are there. Also Gharapuri caves are there. Means Elephanta caves. Pilgrim center like Dehu, Alandi, Jejuri, which are in Pune district, Pandarpur, which is the greatest pilgrimage place, Shirdi, Shegaon, where there is Gajanan Maharaj, Shirdi Sai Baba, Tulzapur means which is the Kuladaivat of Maharashtrian people, Kolhapur also, which is the Kuldaivat means religious, for the religious purpose people visit to these places. Nashik, where there is a Godavari rivers, because many people goes there to means because of this holy Godavari river. Trambakeshwar is there, Paithan, where there is a Eknath Maharaj Samadhi, Haji Malang, which is in near the Kalyan. Okay, Gurudwara at Nanded, Mount Mary Church in Mumbai. Means these are really a rich places, heritage places, which is blessed by Maharashtra. Then hill stations like Mahabaleshwar, Pachgani, Khandala, Lonavala, Matheran, okay, Matheran, Chikaldara, etc. dams at Koinanagar, Jayakwadi, Bhatgar, Sandoli, etc. Means these are the dams, and some hill stations are there. Also sanctuaries like Dajipur, Sagreshwar, Tadova, etc. are among the important tourist center in Maharashtra. Means Dajipur or Sagreshwar and Tadova. Tadova is famous for the tiger, okay, and Dajipur means which is famous for and Sagreshwar also famous for the means that animal, okay, which are near means Tadova, which is near the Hatkarangale in Kolhapur district, and among means many tourists they are visit to these centers in Maharashtra. The Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation was set up in 1975. Means Maharashtra Tourism Corporation was set up means foundation of this in 1975. It helped in the development of tourism in Maharashtra. Means this corporation helped to development of tourism in Maharashtra. The corporation has provided facilities of tourist hotels at 47 places. Means this corporation, means that Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation provided the facilities to the tourist hotels at 47 places in Maharashtra. Together these hotels can accommodate more than 4,000 tourists. Accommodate means to allow the tourist means 4,000 tourists at a time. Many private entrepreneurs are also provided hospitality uh, hospitality services to tourists. Means many private enterpreneurs also, or person who organize, means some private enterpreneur means some persons, their private companies are there, or they privately organize and provide the hospitality, means provide the entertainment, welcome, okay, welcome services to the tourist, means they operate their business as privately, okay. Means there are also means governmental corporation, this Maharashtra tourism, as well as there are some private enterpreneurs or companies are there, also they organize the tourist business, and they really give the good facilities to the tourist, okay. Like this way it's the development of tourism in Maharashtra. Then next, do you know, it's very important, see, for a passage also, or for the some fill in the blanks or match the pair or identify the wrong pair, okay. See, Bilar is a village near Mahabaleshwar which boasts of natural beauty and sweetness of strawberry. Bilar is a village near the Mahabaleshwar which gives the boost of natural beauty, because Mahabaleshwar is famous for natural beauty, and also there is a strawberry is famous, sweetness of strawberry which is famous in Mahabaleshwar. It is also known as the village of books. It is not only famous for natural beauty or strawberry, but it is also famous for village of books. Every household in the village maintains a library of its own. Means in this village, every house they maintain a library of their own library in house, and the tourist can enjoy this read. Maharashtra state government has implemented this scheme with a view to accelerate the reading cultural movement for the reader tourists to enjoy the beauty of Marathi literature enriched by the works of old and new authors and sant. Means this means Maharashtra state government implemented means to bring about the scheme with a view to accelerate means view to change the reading cultural movement, or to spread the reading cultural movement for the reader tourists to enjoy the beauty of Marathi literature, which is very enriched, Marathi literature which is very enriched, which is very rich by the work of old and new authors and sant, okay. Many sant, they also written many abhangas, ovids, okay. Also there are many authors like V.S. Khandekar, Kusumagraj, which are the great author, means, and not only old but new author also, they written some great books. It includes various types of texts like biographies, autobiographies, fiction, poetry, literature by women, literature on sport, literature for kids, okay. Means these are the different types of texts which are available in the Bilar village. We really enjoy the book reading, and we get there means different types of types of knowledge with the help of this book. If you go to Mahabaleshwar, make it a point to visit Bilar as well. If you get a chance to meet the Mahabaleshwar, you can visit to this Bilar as well, okay. Then next, you would like to know this. Cultural tourism includes activities like visiting educational institute of repute. Repute means credit. Trying to get a glimpse of local cultural history and tradition. Means cultural tourism. It includes the activities like visiting educational institute of and trying to get a glimpse of local culture. Means glimpse to or throw the light on the local culture, okay, history and tradition. Visiting historical monuments at a place, trying to appreciate the achievement of local people, and also participating in the local festivals of dance, music, etc. Means there are some famous, for example, historical monuments are there, their famous local dance or their music, local songs which are get the means popularity because of this cultural tourism. Okay. Now next, do you know Mahabaleshwar and Pachgani are hill stations? Everyone know that Mahabaleshwar and Pachgani, which are the hill stations. Thousands of tourists arrive here. These tourists are accompanied by guides who provide relevant information on the sightseeing tour. At some places, photographers are present to click nice snaps for the tourist. Means if you visit to the Mahabaleshwar and Pachgani, there are many guides are there who provide the relevant information to the sightseeing tour. Means each and every points information we get there through the guides. Okay. Also there are some photographers which give the click nice snaps for the tourist. Means immediately they give the photograph to the within 10 minutes they give us the photograph. Okay, snap. Means for example if there is a friend circle photograph or means family photograph, we immediately get there with the help of this local photographers. Horsekeeper provides horses for horse rides and horse cart ride. Also there is some horse keepers. They immediately provide us the horse ride. And we can enjoy this horse ride and horse cart ride with the help of these horse keepers. It is the local people who are engaged in these activities, and because of these activities people get their employment, okay, through these means activities, and they can earn good money for their services. Means they can earn their good monies, and in short, tourism becomes a major source of their livelihood. And like this way, tourism, which is the major source of their livelihood, their everyday's need. Okay, like this way our lesson finished. Everyone complete this lessons exercise in your notebook, and also you have to read this lesson properly and study the means lesson. Okay, thank you.